the master craftsmanship of triple overlay glass vases of the 19th century. The creation of overlay glass vases changed the world of glassmaking. These exquisite pieces, characterized by their intricate designs and vibrant colors, reflect the height of master craftsmanship during this period. Artisans would apply multiple layers of colored glass over a base layer. This technique, known as double or triple overlay, created a striking contrast between the layers. After the overlay layers were applied, the glass was cut, engraved, or etched to reveal the underlying layers. This process required precision and skill to create intricate patterns and motifs. This involved carving through the overlay layers to create raised designs that stood out from the background. Artisans used acid to etch designs into the glass, a technique that allowed for intricate, delicate patterns that were difficult to achieve through carving alone. Many overlay glass vases were further embellished with gold leaf or gilded details, adding an extra layer of luxury and craftsmanship. The designs often reflected the Victorian taste for ornate and elaborate decoration, with influences from nature, mythology, and historical themes. Towards the end of the 19th century, the Art Nouveau movement influenced glassmakers, leading to organic, flowing designs inspired by natural forms and floral patterns. Overlay glass vases were known for their vibrant colors, achieved through the use of different metal oxides in the glassmaking process. The combination of multiple colors and layers allowed for complex, multi-dimensional patterns that were visually striking. The region of Bohemia was a major center for glassmaking. Bohemian glassmakers were known for their high-quality overlay glass and innovative designs. The intricate craftsmanship and artistic beauty of overlay glass vases make them highly prized by collectors and art enthusiasts. Overlay glass vases represent the technological advancements and artistic achievements of 19th century glassmakers. They provide insight into the cultural and aesthetic values of the time. The master craftsmanship of overlay glass vases from the 19th century showcases the exceptional skill and creativity of artisans from that era. These pieces remain treasured artifacts that continue to inspire admiration for their beauty and technical brilliance and appreciation of value over time. Nuriel Gino Yezdinian